Here we are a little closer and we'll walk towards the building. Still a fair amount of construction material around the building. Steel, blue metal, and we have a building that still has a fair amount of work to be done. We're actually on the slab now, looking at a vast area of covered roof. Just walking around the building to give you an idea of what's really going on here. It's fair to say there's still some work to be done, and we're unable to determine, just even as a best guess, when this college is really going to become a college rather than what appears to be a fairly slow progress. It's steady. You've got to say it's surprising that we've got the stage where the roof is up, and one would probably guess that the college will be completed, but whether it's in my lifetime, not quite so sure. That's probably all I can report at this stage. You've got an idea. If you want to, come out and have a look at it for yourself. Till the next report.